Sup guys, so in this video we shall talk about sets, the fourth data structure in Python called as sets. Alright, so what are sets? Sets are a collection of unordered and unique elements. Alright, so which means sets are a nothing but, just like in our mathematics, is a collection of unique unordered elements. Right, for example, let us say name is equal to, I'll create Gautam. In this we have A, the character A repeated twice, right? So now if I want to remove any repetitions of data from the data that I already have, then I could use the property of set. Name set, a variable name, is equal to, I can create a set from my string by passing that data to a function called as set. Now let us check what do we have in the name set. You see that unique elements, A is present only once and unordered. Alright, so the basic use case is as already mentioned. Also on sets we have all kinds of mathematical operations that we have on sets, like intersection or union, difference, etc. Alright, on sets we do not have, since they are unordered, we do not have indexes on sets as well. So if we want to create a set in another way, then we'll say new set is equal to, we have to use the same curly braces that we have used for dictionaries. The difference being, in dictionaries you write the data as key value pairs, here you write them without any key value pair. 1, 2.56, alright. So just like any other collection of data, we can loop on sets as well by using the for iterator. For I in, let us say, name set print I. Got it? Just like for I in new set print I. Now if I want to add a new date value to this set, let us say new set dot add of, I'll say Gautam again. It did not throw any error, but our new set still has Gautam only once. So now let us create new properly two new sets. Let us say new set 1 is equal to elements 1, 2, 3, 4. New set 2 is equal to elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want the intersection between these two sets, which will be 3 and 4. The common elements between set 1 and set 2 are 3 and 4, right? New set 1 dot intersection of new set 2. This should be 3 and 4. Alright, let's check union. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because no repetitions. Now let us check the difference, which means elements that are present in set 1 but not in set 2, which are 1 and 2. All right. So these are a few operations that we have on sets. For more into operations that we have on sets, union, update, symmetric difference, remove, etc. So let us check new set one dot remove of help. I'm using this help function time and again just to make sure that even you people have a practice of using it. So remove an element from a set. Let us remove 3. So our new set 1 has now 1, 2, 4 only. Alright. Also, let us see one more example. Let us have a list of any elements. Alright. So this has quite a good number of repetitions, right? Now we want to know the unique elements available in this particular list. So this is how we can do it. And now a set, these are all the unique elements it is telling. That is it on sets. Thank you.